Is your Toyota Highlander's key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY battery replacement. You'll need a new CR2032 battery with the positive side up and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. The process remains the same for these years. Newer models may have improved moisture seals. If you're struggling to open the case, apply heat from a hairdryer for 10 to 15 seconds to soften the adhesive. Avoid using metal tools to prevent scratches. If the case is still stuck, soak it in warm soapy water for 5 minutes. Sometimes the key fob case is hard to open due to adhesive buildup. To fix this, gently pry it open at the seam using a plastic tool to avoid scratches. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery and replace it with a new one, ensuring the positive side faces up. If your remote still isn't working after the battery change, try resyncing it with your car by cycling the ignition. Insert the key, turn it to the on position without starting the engine, and press the lock button on the fob. Alternatively, some models allow resyncing through the Toyota app. If problems persist, consult a professional.